Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Children, in last class we learned that fourth lesson, that is introduction to logo. Okay, so we learned in this logo is a programming language, and that all we learned how to start logo. That also we learned, children, and what are the components of logo, what are the parts of logo, and what are the control buttons also we learned, children. And we learned a small coding, how we will write, how we will draw these pictures also we learned. Okay, and how we will exit from logo, that also we learned, children. So means this fourth lesson explanation is finished, children. Now I am going to give notes for this lesson. Okay, now see page number 36, answer time, children. See here, tick the correct option. Section A gave tick the correct option, children. What is first one? Which one is not a computer language? Logo, QBasic, MS Word. Logo is a language, QBasic is a language. Only MS Word is not a language. It is a program. Who designed logo language? Simmer Puppet. Next, the base of the turtle is called tail. Okay, next. The area where you type all your commands are called input box. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks, children. Section B, fill in the blanks. Logo is a dash language which helps us to draw. Programming language. Next, dash can be moved to different directions as per the given command. Turtle. Next, see, children, third one. The area where commands are typed is the input box. Next, the main screen is also called the graphic screen. Next, to exit logo we type BYE by. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks. Next, see question and answers. Answer the following questions. First one is, what does logo stand for? For that question, children, answer. See page number 32. Here is logo side heading. From here onwards to, see here, from here onwards to that full paragraph. Language of graphic oriented. Up to here, children. This is first question answer. Next, see second question, children. List two uses of logo. For that, see in brief is there, no? Page number 36 in brief is there. In that, second point is answer for second question. See here, second point is answer for second question. Logo is a programming language which helps us to draw, write and do calculations. Next, see the third question, children. Into how many sections is the MSW logo screen is divided? Name them. For that, same, children, page number 36 in brief only. Last point, children. Last point you see, the MS logo screen, the MSW logo screen is divided into two sections. The main screen and the commander window. That is the third question answer. Next, what is the fourth question, children? What is the other name for logo commands? For this question, children, see page number 33. Page number 33, first line. See here, the commands. The commands in logo are known as primitives. The commands here, see. The commands in logo are known as primitives. Okay. So, this is the fourth question answer. Next, see fifth question. Which button is used to execute a logo command? Fifth question answer, children. For that, see page number 34. 34, first point you see control button side heading is there, no? In that paragraph, in that under side heading, the first point you see the execute button is clicked to execute the command written in the input box. The process is called executing or running the command. That is the fifth question answer. From here onwards to here, the first point full is the fifth question answer. This is about the question and answers, children. Here give, what is the function of continue and cancel buttons? What is the function of continue and cancel buttons? Means if you have to continue and cancel buttons, what function we have to do? This I will explain later, children. I have to show this in computer, so I will say about this later. Next, see here, activity time is given. No, this activity time you do by yourself. Okay, I am not explaining here. By seeing page number 33. Page number 33, if you see, same picture is here. See, with parts here given. With parts names here, the same window is given. But here same window given without parts. So, without labels. What you have to do? By seeing in page number 33. Okay. By seeing in page number 33, you see the labels from there and you write here. Okay, children, this is the activity time. You do by yourself only. This one also I have to show in computer. I will show later this one. In next class I will show children how it will come. This is lab work. And already I said who are having computers, those install logo from Chrome or web browser. You should install. You can install logo. After installing logo, you can type these commands. Then one picture will come. How it will come? I will show this in a computer. If you are having computer, you try, children. Nothing. You have to type these commands in input box. RT45, press enter. Next FD120, press enter. RT90, press enter. After opening logo window, just you type these commands in input box. Then you will observe which shape here. It will come using this coding. Okay. So this is the notes, children. So how you have to write is, children, first you put heading of this lesson. What is this lesson heading? Introduction to logo. You put this heading, 4th lesson, introduction to logo. After that you write this tick the correct option. Next write fill in the blanks. Next write question and answers. Enough, children. Up to here you write in CW. Okay, and you complete this labeling by seeing page number 33 in textbook only. No need to write in textbook. That is the homework, children. Complete your notes for next class. Now I am closing this session. We will meet in next class, children. Till then, take care. Bye bye.